Hi everyone, first off, welcome to 2018. I hope that you all had festive Christmas holidays and I wish you all a prosperous new year of 2018. So here we go. So the first race of this season is going to be on the 5th of March. So up until then we've got about 3 cars to get ready. The Formula Ford, the Mark 1 Escort, and of course Usama's car that we've got to redo the engine because we blew that at the Bulawayo 3 hour. So from now until the 5th of March I've got a little bit of time on my hands. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to interview people's cars. Try and do classic cars, 4x4s, luxury cars, and hopefully at the end of every month finish it off with the racing car or update you all on the Escort build. So the first car that I'm going to do this week is actually my car, just to get things rolling. So this is just a quick preview of what everything's going to look like. Just a bit of a breakdown on that car that was in that video. It is a Mark 5 Cortina from the era of 1968. The car is very sentimental to me as that was my first road car just after I got my license. So that was my gateway to get out of the house and explore the real world. Some specs on that car: it is 1600, does not produce a lot of power, in the region of maybe about 90 brake horse, so it's really not a hell of a lot, but it is a good cruising car. We've changed the gearbox to 5-speed, making it very suitable for long distances. As I said, it's a very good cruiser on the open road, and it's actually quite comfortable. This car's 0 to 100 time is roughly about 10 seconds. We did a time on it. So it's not very fast, and a lap around Donnybrook did a 1 minute 34. So, you know, for an old 1986 car with standard 1600 engine that only revs to about 5,000 on a good day, it's not too bad. So as for the interior, everything is still functional and as per factory. Nothing in the interior has been changed. The seats are all still original. The upholstery is still in immaculate condition. Only thing that has been changed on the car is the color. I had a little accident on the airport road. Someone drove into me, so we repainted the car to Italian Racing Blue. We thought the color suited and it actually turned out quite well. So thank you all for watching this video. If you guys have any interesting cars and you'd like them to feature on my YouTube channel, just contact me on Facebook or Instagram and I'll make an arrangement to feature on my video. So cheers.